Good day, engineers. So, nasa chapter 6 na tayo, polynomial curves. So, dito sa polynomial curves, meron tayong 3 parts dito. So, 6.1 is tangents and normals to plane curves. 6.2 is increasing and decreasing functions. And 6.3 is the sketching of polynomial curves. So for this lecture video, we will discuss about the 6.1 or the tangents and normals to plane curves. So to find the equations of the tangent to a given point on a curve of a function, simply find the slope of the curves at that point and substitute the slope of the curve at that point M and the coordinates of the given point xy to the point slope form of a straight line, which is y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. The normal line has a slope of mn is equals to negative 1 over m, and its equation is found by using the formula y minus y sub 1 is equals to mn times x minus x sub 1. So dito, tatandaan natin na meron tayong tangent line. So sa tangent line, una hahanapin natin yung ang slope ng given functions. And after that, para mahanap natin yung value ng slope or yung slope is the m or y prime. So isa-substitute natin yung mga coordinates na binigay. So ang equation ng tangent line ay etong y minus y sub 1 is equals to m times x minus x sub 1. And ang equation naman natin sa normal line, normal line ay itong y minus y sub 1 is equals to mn times x minus x sub 1. So, pansinin nyo, ang pinagkaiba lang ng dalawang equation na yan ay yung in-input nating slope, which is the m. So, kapag sinabi nating normal line or nasa atong normal line or the perpendicular sa ating point ng curve, ang slope na gagamitin natin ay mn is equals to negative reciprocal ng slope ng tangent line. So, sa tangent line, ang gagamitin nating m. So, ang m natin dito is the y prime. Diba? Sa normal line naman, ang slope na gagamitin natin is negative reciprocal ng slope of the tangent line. So, yung m na to is yung m na nakuha natin dito sa tangent line. So, sana na-gets nyo yun. And negative reciprocal siya. When we say reciprocal kasi, pinagbaliktad lang. So, ito. Negative reciprocal. So, ito yung mga tandaan yung formula sa pagkuha ng mn and sa m. So, punta na tayo sa exercises. Part 1, find the equations of the tangent and normal at the point indicated. So, meron tayo ditong y minus x cubed minus 3x squared minus 2 at 1 and negative 4. So, meron tayong given point or coordinates. Point or coordinates. So, unang step natin ay yung parang ginawa natin sa derivative interpreted by slope. dun sa chapter 3.2 natin, or the derivative interpreted by slope, hinanap natin yung value ng slope. So, yun yung first step natin dito is to find the slope or m or y prime. So, derive natin tong equation. Y prime is equals to 3x squared minus 6x. So, ayan na yung ating y prime. And after that, we just have to substitute itong given point sa ating equation. So, y prime is equals to 3, 1 squared minus 6, 1. So, y prime is equals to 3 minus 6, and y prime natin is negative 3. And ang y prime natin, alam natin, is equals to m. So, next, kunin natin yung ating mn. Ang mn natin is negative reciprocal ng slope of the tangent line. Negative 1 over negative 3. So, negative magiging positive 1/3. So, ito yung ating value ng mn. So, after that, sulat natin yung equation for tangent line. So, for tangent line, meron tayong y minus y sub 1 is equals to m times x minus x sub 1. So, substitute natin, magiging y minus negative 4 is equals to negative 3, yung m natin, times x minus 1. So, y magiging positive 4 is equals to, distribute natin yung negative 3, 3x plus 3. So, lipat natin yung x dito sa left side, y plus 3x. So, negative siya, kaya naging positive. Since nilipat natin, equals to 3 minus 4. So, y plus 3x is equals to negative 1. So, ito yung ating TL or tangent line. Next, since pinapahanap din yung normal line, for normal line, y minus y sub 1 is equals to m n times x minus x sub 1. Y minus negative 4 is equals to mn natin is 1/3 times x minus 1. So, y plus 4 is equals to 1/3 x minus 1/3. So, multiply tayo both sides ng 3 para makancel yung ating denominator. So, 3y plus 12 is equals to x minus 1. 3y minus x is equals to negative 1 minus 12. So, 3y minus x is equals to negative 13. So, ito yung ating normal line. So, next problem tayo, number 2. Y is equals to x cubed minus 7x plus 6 at its point of intersection with the x-axis. So, yung point of intersection niya ay nasa x-axis. And sabi ko, kapag ang point intersection ay nag-touch sa x-axis or within x-axis siya, y is equals to 0. So, kapag ang point of intersection naman ay nasa y-axis, x is equals to 0. So, pansinin nyo, kanina may binigay na points or coordinates. So, dito walang binigay. So, ang gagawin natin is to find mga points and mga coordinates. Since y is equals to 0, i-substitute natin to sa ating given equation. So, x cubed minus 7x plus 6 is equals to 0. So, para makuha natin yung mga value ng x, gagamit tayo ng synthetic division. So, kunin natin yung mga coefficient ng bawat term. So, 1 for the x cubed and for the x squared ay wala. So, 0 ang ilalagay natin. Negative 7 and positive 6. So, mag-assume tayo ng value ng x is equals to 1. So, kung iba yung inassume nyo, okay lang. Ang pinagkaiba lang is dito sa ating last is hindi siya mag-0. So, kapag nag-0 yan, ibig sabihin, yung x na inassume nyo is value siya ng x dun sa equation na sinusolve natin. So, bring down 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Negative 7 plus 1 is negative 6. Negative 6 times 1 is negative 6. And positive 6 plus negative 6 is 0. So, that means ang isang value ng x natin is positive 1. So, here, we can rewrite this as quadratic equation, x squared plus x minus 6 equals 0. So, kunin natin yung mga factors ng ating equation. So, x, and we can factor it by positive 3 and negative 2. So, write this as x plus 3 equals 0 and x minus 2 equals 0. So, x is negative 3 and x is positive 2. So, meron na tayong tatlong x. So, it means meron tayong tatlong points. So, for point 1, ang x natin is 1, y natin is 0. Point 2 is negative 3, 0. And point 3 is 2, 0. Since meron tayong tatlong point, makakakuha din tayo ng tatlong tangent line and tatlong normal line. So, unahin natin at point 1, 1 and 0. So, derive natin yung given equation kanina, which is ito. So, kapag dinerive natin to, magiging y prime is equals to 3x squared minus 7. So, y prime is equals to 3 times 1 raised to 2 minus 7. Y prime is 3 minus 7. So, y prime natin ay negative 4. And ang y prime natin is m. So, ang mn natin ay negative 1 over m. So, negative 1 over negative 4. So, ang mn natin ay 1/4. For tangent line, for TL, y minus y sub 1 is equals to m times x minus x sub 1. So, y minus 0 is equals to m, or m natin is negative 4. So, negative 4 x, x minus 1. So, y is equals to negative 4x plus 4. So, lipat natin sa kabila, magiging y plus 4x equals positive 4. So, ito yung ating tangent line 1. So, for NL, for normal line, TL1. So, y minus 0 is equals to mn natin sulat ko muna yung formula. Y minus y sub 1 is equals to mn times x minus x sub 1. So, y minus 0 is equals to 1/4 x minus 1. So, y is equals to 1/4 x minus 1/4. So, y is equals, lipat natin sa kabila, or i-times muna natin sa 4. Tama. Magiging, tuloy ko na lang dito, 4y is equals to x minus 1. So, 4y minus x is equals to negative 1. So, ito yung ating normal line 1. So, next, at point 2. So, ang point 2 natin, so, sulat ko na lang at point 2. At point 2, negative 3 and 0. So, dito, so same lang sa kanina, y prime is equals to 3x squared minus 7. So, y prime is equals to 3 times 3 squared minus 7. Y prime is 3 times positive 9, wait, minus 7. So, y prime is 27 minus 7, y prime is 20. So, ang mn natin ay negative reciprocal ng m. So, negative 1/20. So, y minus y sub 1 for TL to is equals to m times x minus x sub 1. Y minus 0 is equals to 20 times x minus or positive. So, y is equals to 20x plus 60. Y minus 20x is equals to 60. So, ito yung ating TL2 or tangent line 2. So, for normal line 2, y minus y sub 1 is equals to mn x minus x sub 1. So, y minus 0 is equals to negative 1/20 times x plus 3. So, pwede natin i-times na agad sa 20. So, magiging 20y is equals to negative x minus 3. So, 20y plus x is equals to negative 3. So, ito yung ating normal line 2. So, at point 3, 2, and 0. So, y prime is equals to 3x squared minus 7. Y prime is equals to 3 times 2 squared minus 7. Y prime is 3 times 4, so 12. 12 minus 7. So, y prime is equals to 5 or m. For mn, negative 1 over m. So, negative 1 over 5. For TL3 or tangent line 3, y minus y sub 1 is equals to m, x minus x sub 1. So, y minus 0 is equals to 5. Sorry. 5 x minus 2. So, y is equals to 5x minus 10. Y minus 5x equals to negative 10. So, ito yung ating tangent line. For normal line 3, meron tayong y minus y sub 1 is equals to m and x minus x sub 1. So, y minus 0 is equals to negative 1/5 times x minus 2. So, pwede tayong mag-multiply agad ng 5. So, 5y is equals to negative x plus, so 5y is 5y plus x is equals to positive 2. So, this is our normal line 3. Normal line 3. So, ganyan natin isolve yung mga problem na walang binigay na points. So, una hahanapin natin yung value ng x and y. So, next, number 3, x minus 3y squared plus 8x plus 12 equals 0 at negative 2, 0. So, dito, since may point na binigay, mag-proceed tayo agad sa pag-derive. So, we will solve this as yung last na lesson natin, chain rule. So, 2x minus 3y and the derivative of loob. So, yung loob, 1 minus 3y prime plus 8 equals 0. So, kung gusto nyong i-simplify, pwede naman. Pero, since meron naman na tayong binigay na x and y, pwede na nating i-direct. So, x natin is negative 2 minus 3 times 0 times 1 minus 3 y prime plus 8 equals 0. So, cancel na to since any number na or anything na imumultiply sa 0 is 0. So, negative 4 times 1 minus 3y prime plus 8 equals 0. So, negative 4 plus 12y prime plus 8 equals 0. So, 12y prime is equals to 4 minus 8. So, 12y prime is equals to negative 4. So, divide both sides by 12. So, y prime natin is negative 4 over 12 or kapag sinimplify, negative 1/3. Since meron na tayong M. Pwede na nating hanapin si Mn. And ang Mn natin is negative reciprocal ng slope of the tangent. So, negative 1 over negative 1/3. So, meron tayong Mn na positive 3. So, next, for tangent line tayo, y minus y sub 1 is equals to m times x minus x sub 1. So, y minus 0 is equals to negative 1/3 times x minus or positive 2. So, times natin sa 3. So, 3y is equals to negative x minus 2. So, 3y plus x equals negative 2. So, ito yung ating tangent line. So, for normal line, y minus y sub 1 is equals to m n x minus x sub 1. Y minus 0 is equals to 3x minus or plus. So, y is equals to 3x plus 6. So, y minus 3x equals 6. So, ito yung ating normal line. So, yan yung ating part 1 sa ating polynomial curves. So, next, pupunta na tayo sa part 2. Pero, stop ko muna yung lecture video dito since para mahati-hati na lang natin yung video at hindi mahaba yung ating lecture video. So, thank you for watching. So, ito yung part 1 ng 6.1.